Today is actually a big day because it is my last day in Miami. Had a lot of great experience and terrible experiences. I feel like whenever you have bad experiences, they sometimes weigh over the good ones. Everything is a learning lesson. I need to pack my car. I am shipping my car. Thought about driving. Don't want to go through that again, so I let them deal with it. But I do have to pack my car. Gotta pack everything up. Okay, so this is my room. Pretty messy. Yes. I got Chloe laying there, laid on the floor. Are you excited? Yes, I am too. We don't have to deal with this humidity anymore. Hi, Mama. This is our last day out here. Crazy to say, but honestly, I'm super happy that I'm doing this because I've honestly felt more miserable out here than ever. Last time I felt miserable was when my dad passed away. That's a whole nother story. But I never even had the opportunity to put my TV up, which is behind us. Because my roommate didn't want me to punch holes in the wall. So I brought a TV out here for nothing because I didn't have the stand for it. Now I gotta pack it back in my car by myself. I got this. I got this. Bag 1. I'm gonna have to go up and down the damn elevator over and over. Bag 2. Bag 3. Bag 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Man, it's crazy. Seems like I have a lot of clothes, but then I feel like I don't have any clothes. What up with that? Okay, so I need to pack up these bags in my car and then take it to like a gas station to find a vacuum and suck up all the air. That way I can have more space in my car. I don't have a vacuum cleaner with the hose here, so I have to work with what I got. Luckily, my roommate has a stroller. All right, I have everything in here. So now I'm gonna go. I have everything in the car. Miami is just a whole different ball game. Like, I'm just not about it. People do not know how to drive out here. They don't like to signal at all. They just like to brake in front of you and then all of a sudden turn without even giving you a warning. They like to honk at you for no reason, or as soon as the light turns green, they honk at you. It's like, what the heck? No patience out here. Traffic is horrible. People say that LA traffic is worse, but honestly, I don't even know which one's worse. They're literally both the same. The weather is bipolar out here. It's already sprinkling. The skies were just clear an hour ago, and now it's already cloudy, and it's hot outside. Oh no, that's not good. It's raining. How am I supposed to vacuum the fucking bags? Ugh! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get soaked. See what I mean? This is why I can't do Miami anymore, because every time I try to do something, something always comes along the way and ruins it for me. Oh my gosh, and I'm just going closer to the gas station and it's getting worse. Why? Oh my gosh, it just got fucking worse! This is why I am so happy to leave. Like, fuck, man. This vacuum is literally in the rain. Bruh. I'm gonna have to wait. And the tow truck is supposed to be here by noon and it's already 10. Oh wait, it's slowing down. Okay, maybe it's just a cloud. Let me wait it out a little bit. I can't believe someone's washing their car right now. Like, it's fucking raining. Maybe I should go up north. I'll drive away from the rain, hopefully. Oh, found a dry area. Oh my gosh. Literally pouring back there. I have to hurry because it's gonna start pouring again. I don't even know how to pack my shit because it's pouring where I'm at. It dies down by the time I get back. Oh, there's a gas station. Fuck these roads, man. There's so many potholes out here, it's insane. Oh yeah, baby. It works. Yes. Time to go back. Hopefully it stopped pouring where I live, please. All right, it's my last time getting gas out here for cheap because I heard gas went up to like $6 in California, LA areas. Yeah, my last time getting gas for $3 and some change. So let's see how much it is right now. $3.27. $17 for half a tank. Not bad. At least I go home with a full tank. It's so humid outside. I'm sweating. Chloe, why aren't you helping me? You need to be useful. I don't smell. Here is my car. It's to the roof last time. Trunk. The tow truck guy is here to pick up my car, so we are heading to Publix, which is kind of behind me. Did not think I'd be doing this. I tried fighting through. I will just come back to Miami and visit. I don't think I could live out here. Here we go. Heading back to California, where the gas is expensive and everything is expensive out there too. But I have family, so I have friends. I won't feel as lonely, and at least probably find love out there better than out here because everyone just wants to hook up. I can't believe I leave tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh. It's like a bittersweet moment because remember I was super excited to come out here. Now I'm super excited to go back home. I had to cut through this when there was no parking at the apartment complex. When you already pay $125 for parking. It's ridiculous. And then you can't even get your own spot. And if there's no parking in like the actual spots of $125, then you have to pay like $6 for the night. But then those even end up full. So then you have to park back there. Currently in Doral, Miami-Dade, 88. Wait, what's the humidity at? Feels like 98. Yeah, see, that's what I was thinking too. My last day in Miami. This view is amazing. Miami is beautiful. That view though.
I actually did the same photo shoot yesterday at the same hour.
No way,
Yeah,
did you?
Just right now, the same lightning, the same club. Give me some back.
Wish Miami did me better. Maybe next time, I don't know. It's always the first sip that's the best. Gosh, you're so perfect. Hi.
Where are you guys going?
California.
Are you a vlogger?
Kinda.
Awesome. My friend's got like the same little setup as
Oh,
you.
awesome.
She's like a flight attendant vlogger.
That's so cool. You too, thank you.
Look at that guy.
Sit, sit.
He goes, no, I've been in the damn thing all this time. Why would I want to sit?
I know. Have slept maybe like 30 minutes on the flight, but haven't had great sleep in the past 24 hours. So this morning was miserable because I missed my flight. So I didn't know when you purchase your ticket for American Airlines and you add a dog, you have to check in at the airport and you can't check in on your phone or the app or anything like that. So I ended up missing my flight because I was trying to check in past the time that you're supposed to. So then they put me on standby for the next flight, and as soon as I went through TSA, I put my tickets on where they kind of just run through and check everything, and it ate my ticket. So I didn't even know where to go until after the fact that I realized my ticket was missing. So I had to wait at D12 just to go talk to customer service. Then they opened up at 6 a.m. My flight was at 5:20 a.m. Want to pull out my headphones, my AirPods, and I find out they're not even in there, so I don't even know where they're at. So now I have no AirPods. I lost my ticket, no sleep. It's been a messy morning. So now I'm currently waiting in Dallas for my next connecting flight, which starts boarding in about 12 minutes. Me and Chloe have just been chilling, and she's tired, but she's getting all the attention from people with her little stroller. Hi there. As you can see. She's like, Mom, can I get out? Are you getting all the attention? Oh, Mama.
I make my friends. What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe.
Yes.
You're just so pretty, Chloe.
Oh, thank you.
I don't kiss though. I love, but I don't kiss.
Tried finding my AirPod buds, but I don't think I'll be able to find them, so now I have to buy a new pair. Great. Oh, mama. And then I got Starbucks, and the sweetest thing happened when I was getting my drink. The girl was like, oh my gosh, you look like Selena. And I was like, what? And I was like, is it the bangs? And she's like, no, like the lips, the nose, the brows. I was like, oh, that's really sweet, thank you. Oh my, there was an issue with the aircraft, so now we have to go all the way to C-37 and take the Skylink. So many delays. Oh my gosh, this airport is massive. I feel like I've walked around the whole damn airport. Poor Chloe is over it. She's done flying. Tits it. I still cannot believe my flight is delayed by another hour. Hanging in there, because this is normal for me now with all this luck that I have. We made it to California. Oh my gosh, that flight felt forever. 3 hours of no leg space, feet space because of Chloe. Her thing doesn't really fit underneath when I have like the wheels on and this connected, and there's really no space to unconnect it, so my legs hurt and my feet hurt and they cramped up big time. But I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm back home. This is it. And I'm excited but not excited for the new gas prices because $6 to $7 is not cool. Where's your letter? She's happy to see you. Are you happy, mamas? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, I'm not leaving you, don't worry. I'm home! I'm home for good! We're home for good! Woo! The weather is nice out here. It's not humid. It's not sticky. Oh my gosh. Enjoy the day. I'm tired. What's it? Oh my god! Did you miss him? Sit. Good girl. Wait. Oh, you were hungry, huh? Hello, Socks. Nikki, we're back. We're back. Look at, see, she loves this grass. Like the other grass. Right over there, you absolutely hated it. You didn't want to step on it.